Sweet tea daily, spreading the light, painting hope in boxes so bright.
Hello and welcome. I'm Nicole, and today I have a fun shoebox to share with you. The shoebox is part of my Sunny Summer series, and the theme is surfing safari animals. It's designed for a girl who's 5 to 9, so let's get started. I can't wait for you to see what I packed. Okay, so when she opens her box, this is what she'll see. And I will take the papers out so that you can see the lid design. The lid design says Jesus loves you. And here are some surfing safari animals. There's a lion and some monkeys, a giraffe with a zebra, and I love this little zebra floaty that I found. Isn't that cute? If you would like to print this for your own shoeboxes, you can go to sweetteadaily.com and download and print it from there. I'm going to scoot this back a little bit. So on the very top, there is this lion that I have put into this bag to help save space a little bit. The theme for this box came from this. I found this tiger at Ross for $5 for $4.99. And I thought, this looks like a surfing lion to me. I don't know why, maybe it's just the tie-dye hair. Just kind of looked cool, I thought. So soft. I think this will be really fun to cuddle with. I hope she enjoys that. So here is a bag. Okay, sorry about that. There's no reason for me to have the plastic on this. This is a tote bag that folds up nice and neat. And this, I always like to include a bag in case the child can't fit all the items back into the shoebox to take home. So here is a surfing Barbie. Actually, I think her title is Ocean Barbie, but for this box, I'm calling her Surfing Barbie. Let me get her out of this bag. I put her in an organza bag to keep her hair nice. She has a really cute outfit on. I just love her little flip-flops. I think she's so pretty. And then I have the surfboard for her. That came in a separate set that I bought off of Amazon. And I also have some accessories for her. I have some pretty little outfits and some swimsuits. I thought that was cute. And she has this pretty little seashell purse and some other accessories, a sun visor, some shoes, and then some seashells. Thought that these would be really fun for her to play with too. Then of course you have to have some safari animals. So I have these little squishies. There's a lion, a pink hippo, a zebra, and a tiger. And I kept them in these little bags here because these can attract a lint, and I wanted to keep them nice. And then of course there's all these little safari animals too that she can play with. She has a glue stick with some instructions on how to use a glue stick. She has a little flower lei necklace that I thought matched the Barbie's outfit. Oops. She has a Barbie toothbrush. And here she has an outfit. It says, "Fun in the sun." And there's a dolphin, the heart. I thought that was really cute. And what I really like about this outfit is this skirt here. It's so cute and colorful, and underneath it, it has built-in shorts. So I didn't have to include any separate shorts for this outfit. And I love that because, you know, girls like to play on monkey bars and all kinds of things like that too. And so I know when my daughter was little, she used to like to wear dresses, and she always had a pair of shorts underneath so that she could play. She has a pair of flip-flops. And here she has a little hygiene kit and some jewelry. So she has some bracelets. Here's a cross bracelet and one that has seashells on it. A cross necklace. A blue velvet scrunchie. I'm including 2 chapsticks. A comb. A washcloth. And some underwear. There's also a compact mirror for her and an emery board. She has a box of Crazy Art neon bright crayons. She has some colored pencils. She has an ocean matching game that you can print off of sweetteadaily.com. And here she has a pencil pack with pencils, pens, erasers, a ruler, a rainbow eraser, and a pencil sharpener with some pencil caps. For her paper, I have her paper in this folder. I've got some stickers for her. Here is our letter and picture. Here are some stickers that I'm including for her. I'm including some paper clips. There's some lined notebook paper and some graph paper as well. Here is a coloring book called Sea and Surf Coloring Book. And you can find this on my website, sweetteadaily.com. Semester page. And also this ocean coloring book that I featured in one of my other videos that you can also find on the website. And finally, I have this game that I made called Surfing Safari. And I have included these game markers that I got off of Amazon along with this dice. And what you do is you roll the dice, and the first person to catch the best wave wins the surfing competition. So whoever makes it to the best wave at the end wins the game. And I have the instructions in English, Spanish, and French on the back. Well, friends, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. May God bless you and your Shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Colors bright and messages bold. In our hands, His story told. Gifts wrapped in the warmth of grace, bringing smiles